Used cooking oils (UCO) in Malaysia generated from domestic households, food industries and informal sectors present significant environmental challenges such as water and soil pollution, sewage system blockage and health hazards. The Environmental Quality Act 1974 and guidelines from the Department of Environment regulate UCO disposal, but awareness and infrastructure remain inadequate. Recycling UCO into biofuels, industrial products and animal feed offers sustainable solutions, yet faces challenges like economic constraint and insufficient collection systems. Public awareness campaign, financial incentive and enhanced collection system are essential to effectively manage UCO pollution and promote sustainable practices in Malaysia.
The environmental impacts of used cooking oil, UCO, pollution are indeed extensive and complex. Improper disposal not only harms aquatic life by reducing oxygen levels and disrupting photosynthesis, but also contaminates groundwater and degrades soil quality. Furthermore, UCO can cause blockage in sewage system, leading to overflows and increased maintenance costs, which in turn worsen water pollution and pose health risks. The harmful compounds produced by repeated use of cooking oil further exacerbate these issues. Addressing these impacts necessitates proper disposal methods, raising public awareness, and implementing effective recycling strategies.
Improper handling of used cooking oil poses numerous health hazards. Repeated use of cooking oil can produce toxic compounds like trans fats and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons linked to heart disease and cancer. Negligent storage can foster harmful bacteria and mold, leading to foodborne illness. Improper disposal can contaminate water sources, causing gastrointestinal distress and long-term health issues, while burning UCO release fumes that exacerbate respiratory problems. Direct contact with degraded oil can cause skin irritations and allergies. To mitigate these risks, proper disposal, recycling, and public education are crucial. Vigilant management practice, effective disposal methods, and awareness campaigns are necessary to prevent health hazards and protect the environment.
Improper management of used cooking oil, known as UCO, leads to significant economic losses and inefficiencies. When UCO is disposed of in drains, it solidifies, causing blockage and result in costly repairs and increased municipal maintenance. This blockage can also cause sewage overflows, contaminating water bodies and requiring expensive cleans-up to protect public health. Moreover, improper UCO disposal represents a missed economic opportunity. UCO can be recycled into valuable products like biodiesel, industrial lubricants, and animal feed.
To ensure sustainable management of used cooking oil (UCO) and encourage responsible disposal practices, a multifaceted approach is essential. Public awareness campaign can educate households and businesses about the environmental and health impacts of improper UCO disposal and the benefits of recycling. Providing accessible collection systems such as designated drop-off points and scheduled pickups can facilitate proper disposal. Financial incentives such as subsidies or rebates for recycling UCO can motivate participation from both individuals and businesses. Additionally, investing in infrastructure and technology for UCO recycling is crucial. Establishing partnerships with private companies to develop efficient recycling facilities can turn UCO into valuable products like biodiesel and industrial lubricants, promoting a circular economy. Implementing strict regulatory measures and ensuring compliance through monitoring and enforcement can further support responsible UCO management. encouraging collaboration between government agencies, industries, stakeholders, and the community can foster innovative solutions and ensure a comprehensive approach to sustainable UCO management, ultimately protecting the environment and public health while creating economic opportunities.
The challenges of managing used cooking oil (UCO) in Malaysia are complex. Public and business awareness about the environmental and health risks of improper disposal is lacking. Informal food sectors often lack proper disposal resources, worsening the issue. Inadequate infrastructure for UCO collection, especially in rural areas, adds to the problem. Economic constraints and limited markets for recycled UCO products hinder recycling efforts. Regulatory enforcement is also challenging due to resource constraints. Addressing these issues requires public education, better infrastructure, economic incentives, and strong regulatory enforcement through collaboration between government, industry, and communities.
The materials you need are only used cooking oils and some tissue. First, take your paper tissue or paper towels. Next, pour some of the used cooking oils onto the tissue. After soaking the tissue, lay the tissues out on a plate or tray to let them dry for a bit. This will help reduce excess oil and make them easier to handle. Once your fire starters are dry, place them in a jar or container for easy storage. They are now ready to use whenever you need to start a fire. And there you have it, a simple, cost-effective and eco-friendly way to make fire starters using used cooking oil and tissue.
The feasibility of turning used cooking oil into homemade fire starters depends on factors like consistent UCO supply and proper waste disposal. While the process is simple and uses minimal equipment, scaling up requires coordination with households and restaurants to collect enough UCO. Successfully implemented, this solution reduces UCO waste, provides a sustainable alternative to traditional fire starters, and can generate income for communities. Promoting homemade fire starters also raises awareness about UCO management and encourage responsible disposal practice, supporting environmental sustainability.
To implement making homemade fire starters from used cooking oil UCO, we will follow a detailed plan with several key steps. First, we will conduct outreach to raise awareness and solicit UCO from households, restaurants, and other sources. Collection points will be set up to ensure a steady supply. Next, a small-scale production facility will be established, operated by trained volunteers or community members. The production process will be tested and refined through a pilot phase, gathering feedback to improve quality and effectiveness. Partnership with local business will help distribute the fire starters and promote the project. Throughout the pilot phase, we will collect data on production costs and resource requirements and environmental impact to assess feasibility and scalability. Based on these results, we will develop plans for scaling up and expanding distribution, focusing on sustainability and community engagement. The ultimate goal is to create a self-sustaining model that reduces waste and promotes environmental stewardship.